You can tell a lot about an engine just by how it breathes, and when that breath turns rough, when the idle's shaky, coolant starts disappearing and your oil looks like coffee with milk, buddy, you might be staring straight at a blown intake manifold gasket. I've seen hundreds of them, and trust me, ignoring it is the fastest way to cook your motor. So here's how to spot the signs early, and how to fix it before your car ends up in the junkyard. But just before we start, please ensure you've subscribed to the channel. Rough idle and misfires. If your car shakes like a washing machine when you stop at a red light, start by checking the intake. A leaking manifold gasket lets unmetered air sneak into the engine, throwing off your air-fuel ratio. You'll get lean misfires, maybe even popping or backfiring on decel. Spray a little carb cleaner around the intake. If the idle changes, congratulations, you just found your leak. Milky oil or sludge under the cap. Check your oil cap. If it looks like chocolate milk or a cappuccino foam, that's coolant mixing with oil. The gasket's probably blown between a coolant channel and the lifter valley. Don't drive it like that or you'll ruin your bearings. At that point, you're not fixing a leak. You're rebuilding an engine. Engine overheating. When that gasket starts leaking coolant or air, your cooling system loses pressure. Even if your radiator and thermostat are fine, the temperature needle will start climbing faster than you can say, head job. It's usually one of the first things you'll notice, especially under load or on the highway. Check engine light and lean codes. Modern cars aren't as forgiving as the old carbureted ones. When the gasket leaks air, the oxygen sensors see too much oxygen and throw lean codes, usually P0171 or P0174. You might also see misfire codes like P0300. If you've cleaned your MAF, replace the plugs and still can't solve it, check the intake. Whistling, hissing, or sucking sounds. Engines are like people. When something's wrong, they make noise. A whistling or sucking sound under acceleration usually means air is escaping around the intake gasket. You might also smell fuel or coolant under the hood. That's your sign to grab the wrenches before it gets worse. How to fix it the right way. Confirm the leak. Do a vacuum test or spray around the manifold while idling. Tear down carefully. Label your bolts and disconnect sensors gently. Breaking one plastic clip can cost you hours. Clean everything. Scrape the old gasket off with a plastic scraper, not metal. Clean both surfaces till they shine. Inspect for warping. Lay a straight edge across the manifold and heads. If they're warped, machine or replace them. Use quality gaskets, Felpro, Mala, or OEM only. Don't cheap out. It'll bite you later. Torque it right. Follow the torque pattern and specs. Over-tightening can twist the manifold or crush the new gasket. Refill and bleed coolant. If it's a wet manifold, like many GM engines, refill and bleed the cooling system carefully. Here's a tip for you. If you've got a high-mileage car and you're doing the intake gasket, go ahead and replace the valve cover gaskets, spark plugs, and coolant hoses while you're in there. You've already done the hard part, getting there.